So let's say we want to create our own watch list in Google Sheet. We can do this like we created for this V40 and V40 Next company. And in that watch list, we want to track the real-time price of the share and also the percentage change happen during the day. So how we can do? We can simply make our own watch list here. And let's say we want to have a stock name and price and change of percentage. So for the price, to know the price from the exchange directly, Google Finance uses a formula to fetch the information, and the formula will be this one: Google Finance, NSC, and the price. So we will simply paste the formula here. But here we will change this place C3 because we want to put the stock name here, and this will start, the position will be A2, A column and the second row. So we will simply change it to A2. Right now it is showing not available. That is okay because there is no name. Stock name is not present. So for percentage also, the formula is this one. We'll copy this formula and we'll paste here. And again, we will change the C3 to A2. A2 will be the place where we'll put the company name. We'll hit enter. Again, it will show not available. That is okay. And we will simply drop and drag for the stock number of the stock we want, let's say for 100, 200, 500. And this will automatically change the places to A16. Now, in the stock, we can simply go and write ACC or ACC cement. And this will get the price and the percentage change. Let's say ITC Limited. Do remember that we cannot write a name of the stock, but we have to use the ticker symbol or the symbol which is on NSC. Let's say, for example, for GeoFinance, you cannot simply write GeoFinance over there. You have to write GeoFin. Otherwise, it will not fetch. GeoFin, not finance. That is the ticker name. So it got the price of 300. And you can see the GeoFin price is 300.05, right? So it is matching, and also percentage change, it happened 2.59. And you can see here it is showing a little discrepancy, like 2.34, but that is okay. Just to have a rough idea. And if you want to do this for the US stock, then it will be a little different. Like here, we are fetching from the NSC, which is National Stock Exchange of India. But the US stocks are either listed on NYSE or NASDAQ. So for example, if you want to do for Apple, so the symbol for Apple is AAPL, Apple Inc., which is listed in NASDAQ. You can see here it is listed in NASDAQ. So we will not write Apple, but AAPL, the ticker symbol, but it will be unable to fetch because it is trying from NSC. So what we will do here, in place of NSC, we will change to NASDAQ. NASDAQ. And now it will fetch the price. Remember that will be in a dollar. Also the percentage change, NASDAQ. But few of the stocks are listed in NYSE, like we have NSE and BSE. They have NASDAQ and NYSE. So let's say, for example, Eli Lilly is listed on NYSE. The ticker name is LLY. So if we will simply write LLY here with a NASDAQ symbol, it will again not fetch this, because it is trying to fetch it from NASDAQ. So then we have to again change to NYSE. But for Indian stock, that is okay. That will always be, most of the time it will be NSE, because I generally don't trade on the BSE listed stock. So for me, it is very simple to simply put the NSE symbols. Let's say, for example, for these stocks, right? If now I will simply copy paste here, it will fetch the names of the stock. Okay. So this is how we can make our own watch list. And let's say, for example, we want to see the stock which is going up for that day in a different color, and the stocks which are going down in a different color to easily identify. So what we can do, we can simply select every at a row and do a conditional formatting saying if the value is greater than 0, means if it is more than 0%, just show me in green color. Okay, so whichever stocks are going up, it will be highlighted in the green color. And another formula, if less than 0, then show me in a red. Okay, so this is how you can track it easily. You can put more conditional formatting, like if any stock is going more than 3%, just highlight it properly. Then what you can do, you can add another rule saying greater than 3%, then show me so if something is greater than 2%, 3%, then it will highlight properly. So it is based on the conditional formatting, just to easily track which stock is going more than 3% in a day. So you can easily identify, you don't have to read everything. And these two are gone because the NSC and NYSC thing, we will delete from here. Okay, so this is how we create a watch list in a Google Sheet.